With all of the doom and gloom that's going on out there right now in social media, I see it. Everybody's saying the market's going to crash. We're looking at 2008. We're on the brink of a recession. Everything's going to go to zero. And, it got me wondering, will cryptocurrency survive a recession? Now, I do a lot of videos on Shiba Inu Coin, on Ape Coin, on AMC stock as well. And I do think that the stock market is going to be fine regardless of a recession. It will move on. Cryptocurrency, I began thinking about it, and it's never experienced a recession. We've never seen Shiba Inu Coin go through a recession. We've never even seen Bitcoin go through a recession. Guys, the last recession we've had here in the United States was in 2007, leading into 2008, and, the Great Recession that took place there. Bitcoin came to be, I believe, January 3rd of 2009. So what happens during a recession? Because if you think about it, this is a very interesting subject. So we're going to talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, 5 free stocks. Any $1 crypto trade, get you $5 in free crypto. And then if you want crypto exclusive exchanges, you've got those down there, each with their own rewards. But, I was thinking about that. And Bitcoin comes out at the bottom of the market, right? The stock market bottoms in March of 2009. Bitcoin's Genesis block was mined, I believe, January 3rd of 2009. So what gives? We've seen nothing but gains since the 2009 lows. And in the market that we've been in this massive decade-long bull run that we've seen, it is very conducive to buying cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency, especially Shiba Inu Coin, we'll get there in 2 seconds, but cryptocurrency in general is among the riskiest assets that are out there. Why? I mean, there's simply no company behind it that's backing it up. You don't have, earnings that are coming out, necessarily have dividends that are paid out from those earnings, and you don't have that day-to-day action that you can justify and put an actual value on a cryptocurrency. Crypto, therefore, is much more speculative, it is much newer, and it's still in its infancy stages when it comes to, assets that you can invest in. And being amongst the riskiest of assets, how will crypto, how will Shiba Inu Coin, how will Ape Coin, how will these coins perform during a recession? Now, first we need to know what a recession is. And a recession is simply, 2 back-to-back quarters where GDP contracts or decreases. GDP stands for the gross domestic product, and that's basically every dollar that's transacted in the country, and it's clearly we're talking about the US here, but every dollar that's spent or earned and so on, contraction means that there is less than the previous year when you're looking at it on a quarterly basis. It's still compared to the previous year, but you get these numbers released quarterly. So we did have, the first quarter was a contraction here in the United States. If we've got one more GDP decrease, we will be in a recession. Now, one of the things that happens in a recession, companies earn less. The earnings go down, therefore you may see job cuts and so on as companies have a, lower top line, resulting in a lower bottom line, unless, of course, they can cut costs somewhere, and usually that has to do with employees being cut. Now, of course, that transcends into a lack of spending and so on. Cryptocurrency is able to thrive because people are willing to spend. They are willing to invest in these risky assets, and we have seen that grow just drastically from nothing to a $1.7 trillion industry. Yeah, the cryptocurrency industry right now, the market cap is somewhere around $1.7 trillion, and that has grown from literally nothing in 2009. Now, knowing that we could be facing a very difficult time, Shiba Inu Coin is one of the riskiest cryptos that is out there. It has soared hundreds of millions of percent. during 2001 and ended the year around 46 million% higher. Now, clearly, anything that goes up, a lot of people say must come back down. And, it's not necessarily true if people are willing to hold. Now, the good news is that Shiba Inu Coin does have amongst the largest holder base of all cryptos, coming in at just around 119 days. The only crypto that has a larger hold time is Cardano at 121 days, Bitcoin falling in that 115-day range. So if you're looking at it from that perspective, if people that are willing to spend are the ones that are willing to invest in cryptocurrency, we could see some very difficult times ahead if we go into a recession and people have less that they're able to spend. Now, that is typical of a recession, right? If you're looking at the US and you just go back to 2008, 2009, when everything seemed like it was falling off of a cliff and people were getting laid off and foreclosures were happening and all of these things were taking place, there was a shift from spending to saving. And I mean, we're just going to leave it at the most basic form, but when you shift from spending to saving, saving doesn't necessarily mean investing. Saving means leaving your money in the bank, leaving your money potentially, yes, in a savings account, which is a form of I guess, investing. Very, very, very non-lucrative form of investing. But hey, as the inflation and interest rates keep rising, those savings accounts will start looking better and better and better. So it's turning out to be a very interesting situation as to what's going to happen with Shiba Inu Coin, what's going to happen with cryptocurrency, even what's going to happen with Bitcoin, right? Now, Bitcoin is viewed as somewhat of a store of value, but it's a store of value in one of the riskiest asset classes that is out there. So to sit here and make a determination or a judgment on how crypto, how Shiba Inu Coin, how Bitcoin, how all of these coins are going to be able to react and hold up during a recession it's very speculative, because we have not been through a recession when cryptocurrency was alive, was out there, was a thing to invest in. One would imagine that you would see a continuation of the downtrend. One would imagine that crypto would be one of the first assets to sell off during a recession, but I don't know, guys. The gains being so astronomically high, and the ability for not just Shiba Inu Coin, but the entire crypto market in general, the ability for the cryptocurrency market to soar as the future unfolds, it does lend the fact that people will buy into these dips. People will realize the future that crypto has, and I don't know how far down crypto will drop during a recession, but I would imagine the answer is absolutely yes. Cryptocurrency, Shiba Inu Coin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, ApeCoin, all of these coins should absolutely survive a recession. I want to know what you guys think, though, because this is a brand new topic, right? I mean, crypto has never gone through a recession before. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below on what Shiba Inu Coin, what crypto would do during a recession. If this button right here is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. We will finance GeminiCrypto.com. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.